Lillian, and today I'm Mars here.
Hello.
So before we do any questions, I want to know more about you, Mars.
Well, my atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth. And people call me the red planet because my dirt's kind of red and orange. You can see me with the naked eye because I am bright. I have a volcano named Olympus Mons. It's taller than pretty much any other volcano. I have some extreme highs and extreme lows in my terrain. Also, I don't know if you know this, but my name comes from the Roman god of war.
So the reason I'm Mars here today is because Curiosity, a rover who came to Mars, is sending back a lot of interesting samples of Mars's soil. Curiosity isn't the only spacecraft on Mars's surface. Right now, the rover Opportunity is on the surface right now too. In fact, there are 5 other spacecrafts orbiting Mars. So let's get to the questions. What is your distance from the sun?
Well, my closest distance to the sun is precisely 206,655,215 kilometers. And my farthest distance from the sun is 249,232,432 kilometers.
Do you have any moons?
I sure do. I have 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos.
Cool, next question. Are your moons the same size and shape as Earth's moon?
No, they're smaller and they're not exactly round. They're more potato-shaped.
Potato. Oh, sorry about that. Let's get to the next question. How long is a day on Mars?
Well, it's pretty close to Earth. It's about 24 hours, 37 minutes, and 22 seconds. Yes.
Wow, that's really like our day. I bet if you stayed the night, you would stay up later than me.
You bet, yeah.
So what are your temperatures?
Oh, they vary. The temperatures can range all the way up to 20 degrees Celsius, all the way down to a blistering cold of negative 125 degrees Celsius. That's real cold.
Yeah. Next question. What is your gravity compared to Earth?
Well, my gravity, let's see. Compared to Earth, I think I got about 38% of Earth's gravity.
What is your mass?
Well, my mass is precisely 0.107 of Earth's mass. So I'm a lot lighter than Earth, as you could say.
What is your diameter?
Well, my diameter is precisely 6,792 kilometers.
Next question. What is your volume compared to Earth?
Well, my volume, I have about 15% of Earth's volume, yes.
Cool, next question. Do you have any rings?
No, I don't have rings like Saturn, but I keep telling him to give me a ring sometime.
Okay, so next question. What is your speed or velocity around the sun?
Oh, it's fast. I mean, it's really fast, like turbo fast. Okay. It's 53,979 miles per hour. So it only takes me like 1.88 Earth years to get all the way orbit the sun. It's really fast. Yeah.
Wow, that's really fast.
Yeah, it's super fast.
So I think this is the last question. Do you think humans could ever live on Mars?
Well, I gotta say, I'm probably the second most inhabitable planet in the solar system. But, you would need a lot of technology to keep you alive. As, I have no oxygen and it gets really cold, like I said. But the real estate would be pretty cheap if you don't mind the drive to get here, I mean, it only takes like 9 months from Earth, but yeah.
Wow, that's a long drive. Thank you so much for coming. I look forward to visiting one day.
My pleasure, and please do. I'm a beautiful desert planet with winds and clouds and ancient riverbeds. So, please stop by anytime.
Well, everyone, that was our special guest Mars, the fourth planet in our solar system. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye. Everybody, today I'm Mars, and I'm gonna ask him a few questions.
Hi, good to be here.
Okay, first question. How much of Earth's gravity do you have?
I have 1,000,000.425 units of liters of cola. That was the question, right? No?
No.
Well, I'm sorry, what was the question again?
How much of Earth are your moons the same size and shape as Earth's moon?
Something potato.